mean, if you've got like a larger home, like a 2,800 square foot home with a detached 2-car garage, you can essentially potentially split up the home in a way where you've got the primary home, you've got the ADU, and then you've got a junior ADU.
Mm-hmm.
And said a word, triplexing, or what was that word?
I think the word that they used was triplexification, if I got it correctly, but I didn't even know that that was a thing. But yes, it was the thing that I saw was that they built a detached and a mini ADU attached to that. So sort of like a micro unit, maybe 300 square feet, where the ADU was 600, but it still fell within the guidelines of larger than 1,200 square feet for the state. But just because the state gives you permission doesn't mean that the local is going to make your life easy. So I say, expect a year before even going to the planning department. You better know what you want to build, and understand all the fees. On average, the state that did all this research is showing that these are coming in around $150,000 to build. It can be lower, it can be higher, depending on what you do. Prefab could be less, manufactured can be less, stick-built can sometimes be less, but it just really depends. So please do your homework, talk to the local level, and really start thinking. You can start marinating on this, but pull the trigger in January. I think the cities will be a lot more ready for you, and that's when all these new bills go into play.